In today's Minute with Craig, we're going to talk about put your phone down. Just put your phone down. All right. Well, don't really put your phone down because you need to listen to the Minute with Craig. But one of the things that I think we would do better at as consumers and as citizens and as people that need to retire one day is just quit checking the balances that much. You know, markets go up and markets go down, but if you don't need your money until you're 60, let's say you're 25 and you're checking money, 35 years before you need it? I think one of the things that drives people crazy and gives so much anxiety is when markets drop 1 or 2 or 3% in a day and we hold on to that and we think, oh my God, I lost so much money today, and it's anxious and it's frustrating. But over time, saving is like walking up the stairs with a yo-yo, right? Sometimes there's up, sometimes there's downs, but overall we make it up the stairs okay. And I think so often, at least consumers and friends in my life, once they start to get a little bit of wealth, they get so frustrated when they check their balances and they see the market crashing and they're on the phone. And if you've got crypto, even more so, because that's even more volatile over time. So my suggestion for you, my suggestion for your parents, my suggestion for those people in your life is that they'd probably be a little happier if we took apps off our phone that were tied to our investment accounts. If we weren't able to check our 401k balance, if we weren't able to check our IRA. You don't need that money for decades. Why let it give you anxiety today? Yes, we want to make sure it's allocated correctly. We once a year maybe check in, make sure that mix of stocks, bonds, and alts is there. But overall, I can't help but think we'd all be a little bit happier if we put our phones down more often and just enjoy the world around us.